Welcome to this video on incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine. In this video, we will discuss practical strategies that can help you incorporate positive affirmations into your daily life for better overall well-being and personal growth. Before we delve into the strategies, let's take a moment to understand what positive affirmations are. Positive affirmations are empowering statements that you repeat to yourself regularly to reprogram your subconscious mind and replace negative self-talk with positive and empowering beliefs. The first strategy we will explore is creating personalized positive affirmations. Start by identifying limiting beliefs or negative self-talk that you want to replace. Then, reframe those thoughts into positive and empowering statements. Remember to use present tense and personalize affirmations with words like I am or I have. Next, let's talk about how you can incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Find a time and place where you can focus and repeat your affirmations without distractions. You can choose to do this in the morning, evening, or throughout the day. Consistency is key, so make it a habit to practice your affirmations regularly. Another powerful strategy is to combine visualization with affirmations. Visualize yourself already embodying the positive state or outcome that your affirmations represent. Engage your senses, imagine the details, and feel the emotions associated with achieving your desired state. This visualization process helps to strengthen the impact of your affirmations. Keeping an affirmation journal is a fantastic way to reinforce positive affirmations. Write down your affirmations regularly, and reflect on how they make you feel. This process not only helps you maintain focus but also allows you to track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Lastly, finding support and accountability can greatly enhance your affirmation practice. Share your affirmations with a trusted friend or join an online community where you can connect with like-minded individuals. This support system will keep you motivated and encourage you to stay committed to your daily affirmation practice. Incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine is a practical and effective way to cultivate a positive mindset, boost self-confidence, and achieve your goals. By following these strategies and dedicating time and effort to your affirmation practice, you are taking a powerful step towards personal growth and creating a life filled with positivity and abundance.